In today's video, I'm going to teach you install the ChatGPT app. We'll walk through the process together so you can get up and running quickly, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to make everything clear and stress-free. First, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. In the search bar at the top, type ChatGPT. Look for the official app from the developer listed as OpenAI. This ensures you're downloading the genuine app and not a lookalike. The official listing will have a clear description and plenty of real reviews, which is a good sign that you're in the right place. When you see the ChatGPT app, tap Get. You may be prompted to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device password, depending on your settings. If you've previously installed the app, you'll see Open instead. In that case, go ahead and tap Open to launch it. Once the app opens, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. You can use your email address or sign in with Google or Apple. Choose whichever option you prefer. If you're creating a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup. This typically takes just a moment and ensures your conversations and preferences are saved across devices. You might see prompts requesting permission for notifications or other features. Allowing notifications can be helpful so you don't miss important updates or responses, but it's completely optional. You can always change these permissions later in your device settings if you prefer. After you're logged in, you'll land on the main chat screen. To start a new conversation, tap the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you type your question or prompt. Keep your request clear and specific to get the best results. For example, you might ask for help drafting an email, planning a trip, understanding a concept, or brainstorming ideas. When you're ready, tap Send. ChatGPT will respond in the conversation thread, and you can continue by typing follow-up questions or clarifying your request. Think of it like a conversation. If the first answer isn't exactly what you need, refine your prompt and send it again. Over time, you'll get a feel for how to phrase questions to get the most helpful results. That's it. You've installed the ChatGPT app, signed in, and started your first chat. If this was helpful, you're ready to explore and use ChatGPT whenever you need a quick answer or a creative boost. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new app.